Alright, are you tired of buying data bundles that finish quickly while your internet still feels slow? In this video, I'm going to show you a powerful VPN setup that can completely change your browsing experience. In today's tutorial on Maristech, I will show you how to set up H8 Plus for MTN South Africa new SIM cards. If you want a stable connection and a working configuration, this step-by-step guide will help you set everything up correctly on your phone. Watch the video carefully so that you don't miss any important step during the setup process. So these are the requirements. Before we start, make sure you have the following. You have H8 Plus VPN app installed, MTN South Africa SIM card, and then we prefer a new SIM card, internet connection for the initial setup, then a working H8 configuration host. Then these are the steps. Step 1, download and install H8 Plus VPN from Google Play Store, as I'm going to be showing you. Open Google Play Store, and then if you open Google Play Store, make sure you complete all those, and then go where we search from, then search H8 Plus VPN. This is the application I'm talking about. Download it and install it in your mobile device. So step 2, open the application and allow all permissions requested by the app. And then this is how it will be looking like. We're going to be pressing later right here, and then for a moment you're going to press later, and then we're going to press OK. I understand. Those are the permissions I talk about. OK. And then after, you're going to be setting it up. You're going to tap the 3 dots. You're going to tap the 3 dots at the top right corner of the app, and then I'm going to show you a setting. You're going to go you're going now to tap where you have the setting icon right here, and then I prefer a dark theme to protect our eyes from intense light. So this is what we're going to do next. Press later, and then OK, I understand. And then you're going to set up, you're going to come where you have the custom setup. We enable, and after you're going to come where we have the elect connection. You're going to look for custom SNI, and then you're going to erase the www.website.com, and then you're going to put ul wszi .wits.sc.za. Then look at this one, look at this one, look at this one. Leave it as it is. Then start up the application. As you see, it will be connecting, and then wait for a few seconds for the VPN to establish the connection. And once the VPN connects successfully, as you see, you can minimize the app and start browsing normally. You can also test, and after connecting, open the browser, visit any website, test apps like YouTube, or social media. If everything loads correctly, then your VPN setup is working. These are the tips or troubleshooting. If the VPN fails to connect, try reconnecting again. You can also toggle airplane mode and reconnect the VPN, and then you can make sure that your MTN SIM card is new and active. And that's how you can set up Eternal Plus for MTN South Africa new SIM cards. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Miles Tech, and share it with others who need this guide. Alright, I sign out.